In this video, Ukrainian soldiers are seen advancing through a forested, hilly area toward a Russian position as part of an operation. While moving along the slope, they are detected by a Russian FPV drone. The drone tracks the group and engages one of the soldiers during the advance, disrupting the movement. A Russian FPV drone detected Ukrainian troops traveling in a fully loaded truck. Earlier, the vehicle had been disabled by a prior FPV strike. In the area of the settlement of Regorodok, follow-up operations were conducted, resulting in the complete neutralization of the target. New footage from the area surrounding the settlement of Magritsa shows a reconnaissance operation conducted by a UAV operator of the 106th Guards Airborne Division. During the mission, the operator identified a T-72 tank belonging to Ukrainian forces. Following precise coordination, combat units of Rubicon engaged the target, successfully neutralizing it. The operation highlights the ongoing tactical efforts and the use of advanced reconnaissance technology in the region. In Kharkov Oblast, a Ukrainian forces ammunition storage site was struck during an operation in the area of Katovka. Special forces from the North Group identified the location of the facility through reconnaissance, after which FPV drones were deployed to engage the site. As a result of the strike, the ammunition depot was effectively neutralized. During the same operation, a concealed M113 armored personnel carrier position nearby was detected and subsequently rendered inoperable. The footage highlights coordinated reconnaissance and precision drone usage aimed at disrupting logistical assets and armored support in the area. UAV operators from the 14th Guard Spetsnaz Brigade of the East Group conducted a targeted operation against a Ukrainian self-propelled artillery system positioned at a firing site. After identifying the location through aerial reconnaissance, precision strikes were carried out, resulting in the system being neutralized. The footage demonstrates the effective use of unmanned aerial platforms in detecting and suppressing artillery assets, underscoring the ongoing focus on counter-battery actions and the disruption of enemy fire support capabilities. Another compilation of operational footage captures the efforts of the North Group crews in targeting and neutralizing Ukrainian transport vehicles. The video highlights multiple coordinated actions, showing the effective use of reconnaissance and precision strikes to disrupt enemy logistics. These operations demonstrate the ongoing tactical pressure applied to Ukrainian supply lines and the strategic focus on limiting their mobility in contested areas. A 19 Malawian Kwacha's grenade launcher installation was disabled. Earlier in the morning, several Ukrainian armed forces personnel were observed operating the system in this area, prompting Russian FPV drone operators to engage their positions. As the drone activity intensified, the soldiers began withdrawing individually, seeking safer locations. A Russian reconnaissance drone maintained continuous observation, calculated precise coordinates, and executed a targeted strike on the positions. One Ukrainian soldier survived and was seen moving out from under the trees, attempting to reach a safer area. The drone continued to track his movement, monitoring him as he distanced himself from the engagement site. This footage demonstrates the precision and coordination achievable with unmanned aerial operations in targeting enemy equipment and positions while maintaining continuous surveillance. Fighters of the Center Group continue actively engaging Ukrainian forces, targeting both personnel and military equipment in the areas of Krasnoarmysk, Pokrovsk, Myrnograd, Dmitrov, and across Dnepropetrovsk Oblast. The footage captures multiple operational actions conducted on February 5th, showing the neutralization of Ukrainian combatants, military vehicles, artillery systems, transport units, unmanned aerial vehicles, and communication infrastructure. These coordinated operations highlight the ongoing tactical efforts in the region and the use of combined reconnaissance and combat strategies to maintain operational effectiveness. A Russian drone approached a truck parked on a riverbank in Ukraine. The vehicle appeared to have been deliberately positioned in an open area, possibly to monitor the drone's approach. A Russian FPV drone approached a vehicle that had been positioned inside a building. The building contained equipment used by Ukrainian forces, and the drone carried out a carefully targeted strike. The impact caused a significant, controlled explosion, demonstrating the precision and effectiveness of aerial unmanned operations in engaging enemy assets even within covered or indoor locations. Footage captures the destruction of multiple Kiev forces trenches near the settlement of Belitskoye, following precise strikes with FAB-250 bombs. The strikes effectively neutralized fortified positions, illustrating the impact of coordinated aerial bombardment on frontline defenses. Russian and Ukrainian troops engaged in close combat, and the entire encounter was recorded. Ukrainian soldiers returned fire against Russian positions. Meanwhile, a Ukrainian FPV drone struck a Russian bunker, carrying out 3 successive attacks. In response, Russian drones targeted the Ukrainian positions, and during the second drone strike, the Ukrainian position was destroyed. Despite the destruction, Ukrainian soldiers managed to escape the ruined house and began seeking a new position. The Russian contingent also repositioned from the location they were attacking. However, Russian drones continued their rapid attacks on the new Ukrainian positions. Russian soldiers, rather than hiding or retreating, pressed the assault and targeted the bunker where Ukrainian troops were located. Russian forces continue to push back Ukrainian units of the 67th and 154th Motorized Rifle Brigades across the Volga and Gai rivers. Krasnoarmysk. A fiber-optic drone operating in free mode encountered 2 Ukrainian soldiers. The soldiers panicked, unsure how to respond. What happened next is captured in the footage. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. Russian UAV operators tracked Ukrainian Mavic reconnaissance drones, uncovering the location of the Ukrainian UAV control point. Following this, FPV drones loaded with ammunition were deployed, successfully destroying the control center. In the Kupiansk direction, drone and strike units of the 6th Army continue operations against enemy logistics. According to reported figures, up to 10 units of Kiev forces equipment are disabled daily in this sector, highlighting sustained pressure on transport and supply routes. Ukrainian forces left a vehicle abandoned in the middle of a snow-covered intersection, and attempted to conceal it with a green camouflage net. A perfect 10 out of 10 example of questionable battlefield tactics. Zaporizhzhia direction. A Ukrainian armed forces dugout was struck by operators Saigin and Ermak. Objective control was also carried out using an FPV drone.